Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth Gray, and today I'm going to be doing my persuasive presentation on why earth science is important and should continue to be funded. Imagine waking up to a tornado warning that arrives too late because weather forecasting technology was never developed. Or imagine waking up to a hurricane making landfall with little warning because scientists didn't have the proper funding to improve prediction models. Every day, earth science helps save lives, but many people don't realize how much we depend on it. As a college student with experience working on earth science research through NASA, I've learned how important this scientific research is and how it impacts people all around the world. Whether you realize it or not, earth science affects your everyday life. It helps predict severe weather, keeps drinking water safe, supports agriculture, and protects communities from natural disasters. Every person benefits from the discoveries made through earth science. And that is why earth science should continue to be funded because it protects lives through better disaster prediction, and reducing funding would put communities, scientific progress, and future generations at greater risk. Let's begin by looking at how earth science directly protects people's lives. Earth science improves public safety and protects lives because it makes weather forecasting more accurate. It improves hurricane tracking, giving families more time to evacuate, and better tornado and severe storm predictions, which reduce injuries and death. According to NASA, Earth science research helps scientists understand our changing planet and improve the technology that is used to monitor weather and natural hazards through NOAA. Earth science helps communities prepare for natural disasters. Earthquakes and volcano monitoring provides earlier warning signs. And there are flood predictions that help cities prepare before natural disaster occurs. The U.S. Geological Survey monitors earthquakes, volcanoes, floods, and other natural hazards to help communities prepare before disaster happens. Earth science protects lives every day. However, in recent years, funding for a lot of earth science programs have faced significant cuts and uncertainty. Let's look at the consequences of reducing that funding. This would create serious problems, and continued investment is necessary. Less funding means less scientific discoveries and weaker disaster preparedness. Scientists would have fewer resources to improve weather forecasting and natural disaster prediction. Communities would receive less accurate information before hurricanes, floods, wildfires, earthquakes, putting more lives at risk. According to NOAA, continued research improves weather forecasting and gives communities more time to prepare for severe weather. Continued funding is an investment that not only saves lives, but it also saves money. Every dollar that is spent on disaster research and preparedness helps reduce the much higher cost of disaster recovery. Ongoing earth science research helps future generations better understand climate change, protect natural resources, and also develop new technologies to solve environmental problems. The National Science Foundation explains that investing in earth science research leads to discoveries that improve public safety and environmental understanding. Now that we've seen how earth science protects lives and what can happen one day if funding continues to decline, let's remember why investing in earth science is an investment in all of our futures. Earth science should continue to be funded because it saves lives through better disaster prediction. It also helps us understand our changing planet, and reducing funding would put communities, scientific progress, and future generations at a greater risk. At the beginning of my speech, I asked if you could imagine receiving a tornado or hurricane warning too late because the research and technology behind this forecast never existed. Thankfully, that's not our reality today. Because of generations of scientists, we're given the resources to study our planet. The question is whether future generations will have those same opportunities. Continued funding for earth science means a safer community. It also means better protection for natural disasters and a healthier planet for everyone. I encourage you to support policies and leaders that invest in earth science research because the knowledge that we gain today will help protect lives tomorrow. And these are my references, and thank you for listening to my speech.